Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Emeka, the Chief Priest. On today's topic, I want to talk about depression. What is depression? Okay, depression is a mental disorder that causes prolonged feelings of sadness, emptiness, and despair. It can affect one's ability to function normally, impacting their work, relationships, and overall quality of life. Depression can be caused by varieties of factors, including biological, genetic, environmental, and psychological. It is typically treated with a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle changes. Symptoms of depression. Depression may include feelings of hopelessness, loss of interest, changes in appetite or sleep patterns, low energy, difficulty in concentration, and thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Ways that Odinala Igbo might be beneficial in terms of mental health and depression. Spirituality and religion provide a sense of meaning or purpose and connection to something larger than oneself. So I'll be listing out ways that Odinala Igbo may help to cope depression. This includes number one, connecting to community, which can provide sense of belonging and support to individuals. Number two, focus on inner peace and balance. Igbo spirituality emphasizes on inner peace and balance as essential component for wellness, which can be beneficial for those struggling with depression. Number three, emphasis on forgiveness. Forgiving ourselves and others is a key component to self-healing. Letting go of grudges and focusing on the aspect of life help to reduce symptoms of depression. Number four, mindfulness practices. Mindfulness practices and doing your daily ego for by burning incense regularly. Mindfulness helps in building of self-esteem, confidence, and sense of control over one's life. Number five is empowerment. Agencies like the government or non-governmental organizations should help to give people a lease of hope and keep to their promises of delivering what will bring economic development and help to sensitize youth to stay off drugs. So why are we talking about depression today? Another cause of depression is unrealized expectation. Most times people place so much expectations on others, expecting someone or people to make you happy. And when these expectations become unrealized, it can move someone into depressive moods. Another factor again could be maybe a loss of a dear one. Most people that have lost a loved one might be traumatized, and due to this trauma, they might move into depression if they are not given proper therapy and consolation by people or loved ones beside them, and this could lead them into depression of trying to cause self-harm or having suicidal thoughts. So why are we talking much on this depression? A lot of third world countries we have a recorded cases of people living depressive lives. Some have resorted to indulging in excessive alcohol consumption, and some are living their lives destructively just to see that those traumatic moments passes by, but that's not the best way to go about it. So as regards to Odinala Igbo, like I mentioned earlier, the best way is for one to find inner peace and start the self-healing process. It has to be a gradual thing, and with time, the person will get better. Please, if you don't understand anything that has been said in this video, don't forget to chat me up on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 09040113281. I repeat again, 09040, that's 40113281. I'll be there to help you to deal with any situation you're going through at the moment. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for my other videos for the next updates. Thanks for stopping by. Yagazie.